Fuck that shit. I want my woman to have a little bit of
We'll
toxicity.
pray for him.
I
Guys.
want a little bit of toxicity, and I'm not gonna be shy about it. I
I,
want her to crash out sometime.
When they get
I
that
was
beat.
waiting for one of them to say it. I was waiting for one of them to say it.
Yo!
Yardman podcast are the one. Yardman podcast are the one. Yardman podcast are the one. The Yardman podcast. Tell you about the Yardman podcast. The Yardman podcast. Tell you about the Yardman podcast.
Welcome back to the Yardman
The
podcast
Yardman
with
podcast.
Davane and
Tell you about
Tonil.
the Yardman and Ray behind the camera.
Yeah, we have a producer now. Ray got a job.
Yes, yo, what's up? What's up?
Yeah.
Without
Yes.
applying for the job.
Yes, everybody. Hey, happy Saturday, y'all. What's up, man? Peace and love.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
hear
boy.
the American accent, you know. I think we needed that little balance because apparently some people can understand the patois, but the patois ain't going nowhere, people. That is who we are. We try to ensure that we are inclusive and speak the queen/king's English, but you don't know. It's a mixture.
Yep. Always a mixture.
It's a mixture.
That's just who we are. What we talking about today, Davine?
Today, before the topic, relationship, people. I know, yes, men on a couch talking about relationship and those things, but
Yeah, we have to do it sometime.
no, I don't want to feel guilty that we have to do it because we as human beings, we are social beings. Relationships are what define us as human beings. And for us to basically remove the importance of it from society, it means that we're losing a part of our humanity.
Yes.
It's so important to actually talk about relationships.
Yeah.
Because proper relationships govern society. Society is better when everything is at a good balance. You know?
Yeah.
And plus it's coughing season. It-
Coffee
Getting
season.
cold. It's getting cold. It's getting cold, bro. But I like how you said that, bro, because the other day, I had a thought, and I was like, "Yo, we're humans. We need people. You know what I'm saying? We
Yeah.
need relationships.
Alright.
We need this isolation culture. It does not work, and we're getting weirder and weirder by the minute. So
Weirder.
I don't listen, I get when you get older, your friends, your family, you become more of yourself. They're doing their stuff. They have more responsibilities, right? But it's not like they are upset with you. It's not like they are disconnecting from your relationship. No, they have more responsibilities. We have to understand that when we get older, we have responsibilities, but that doesn't mean that we lose connection of the people we love. So we're humans, bro.
Yeah.
Humans are social creatures. We're not.
Real.
It's weird for us to be
Real.
isolated.
And I want you know what I want this episode to do? I want this episode to put an end to the gender wars. If you are a woman watching
Yeah.
this episode and you say you don't need a man, unsubscribe and leave this podcast alone. This is not for you. If you are a man listening or watching this podcast and you feel like women are the problem or women are a problem or you hate women, unsubscribe and leave this podcast alone.
Back to the
We
owner.
over here, men need woman and women need man. That's how we see it. We need each other. And if you don't feel that way, you need to look inwards. What happened? Just because one man or one woman slighted you in the past, that's no means to say that all women or all men are bad. You know, just because you had a friend that had a boyfriend that cheated on her, doesn't mean that all men cheat. Just because a woman robbed you or betrayed your trust, doesn't mean that all women will do that. You need to look inwards. You are the one that is making decisions to be with these people. You are not spotting the red flags. But then, again, Tony, it's easier for us to blame people for a faults than to take accountability.
Yeah, it is. You just have a look on this thing like I don't think anybody says it better than one of my favorite musicians, Fela Kuti.
Yeah, what I'm saying.
Water has no enemy. Water no get enemy. If you're going to the kitchen and you make some tea and accidentally the water burn you upon your hand, you forget about it in 5 seconds. Later you go and take a shower.
True.
Later you go to the pool. The same water.
No, but people profit
You know?
from it. Yeah, there are companies that profit
facts.
from a gender war. You know what I'm saying? Most companies make so much money from wars. Every kind of war they make money.
War
from.
make money,
The
always.
gender war make money. The dating apps are swimming in it now.
Yep.
Just because of it.
Facts.
They're swimming in the money now, bro.
Facts.
All these relationship experts, they're swimming in the money. All of these things just create an environment where we can't even look at a woman on the street and be like, oh, this is
Right.
nice.
Right.
We should be doing this.
I hate that that's true. Like, and the fact that it's so well advertised too, like Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, they're all well advertised. So it's like, if you're in the single scene, if you're mingling, you kind of have to use those apps because nowadays it's not heard of for a dude to go up to a chick at a bar or in a social or in a public setting to like, yo, I think you're cute, blah blah. No, those applications advertise that. So it's a war, man. It's a gender war,
And that's something.
It's sad, bro.
If you're listening to this episode or watching this episode and you take away anything from it, I want you to try a social experiment this week. I'm gonna try and remove the pressure from it. Say that you're trying this experiment for the Yardman podcast. If you're a man struggling to find a woman and you're using the dating apps, take a month off the dating apps. Just go cold turkey. Just delete the apps. But in that month, I want you to approach 10 women. 10 women that you find attractive in person. And it could be at the gym. It could be in the grocery store, the supermarket, anywhere. Approach them. Do not be creepy about it. I know that is the part that we have to worry about. But I'm going to assume that you know how to approach a woman. And if you don't know,
Assume not. Assume not. If I have to be on one of these dating apps now, man, it means chances are.
No, it's not. It's not that. It's also it's a skill that has been lost because it's not being used anymore.
Right.
In our day, O'Neal, if you did not go up to a woman, you will not get a woman.
Right.
You will not get a woman. But now
That was our days.
we just have it so easy that we're not trying. But even if you don't know how to approach a woman, for the 10 that you go up to, and you get, even if you get 10 no's, that means you're 10 times better at
Than the
approaching
last time,
than
yeah.
the last time. Every time you approach a woman, you learn a little bit. Oh, what was off with this one? And also, she could just not like you. You have to be able to accept the rejection.
Or the
and
weather
move
wasn't
on.
right that day. You know, women sometimes choose that. Like, today is just not the day.
Yeah.
If this guy approached me yesterday or tomorrow, it'll be better, but today is just not the day.
Today's not, or
That's
it could be
facts.
like, you know, when you start learning to ride a bicycle or drive a car. You know?
The balance just never right.
You didn't learn off day one.
Yeah,
You have to
exactly.
keep going, keep practicing, keep
Yeah.
doing it.
Right.
And keep failing. Keep failing. Keep hearing no from these women and do not internalize it and take it personally.
Yeah.
She says no, move on.
Move on.
Yesta. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Don't try to fight a losing battle. You know? But try it. Just put yourself out there a little bit more vulnerable. And ladies, you're gonna be like, oh, he's only talking to the guys. That's because most of the women don't subscribe to the podcast. So ladies, please subscribe to the podcast. We want more. Like when I check the statistics in the background, ladies, come on, do something for us, man. Like you know, like O'Neal smile.
But you know, it's funny though, Davin.
Yeah.
I think we have more female followers on social media, but YouTube, we have more male listeners. That's the thing.
Is that thing? Do more men watch YouTube than women?
I think so.
I don't know. It's a tough one though. But nonetheless, women, personally, I would say put yourself out there a little bit as well. If you don't feel comfortable approaching a man and you feel that's not the way to go about it, put yourself in situations where you get approached. You know, in terms of not going to go to a coffee shop, you know, read a little book, you know, go at a bar, even by your own.
But the thing is, Davin, women do that. I think women have been doing that. The thing is, no, but the majority of them won't approach you. But they will put themselves in a position to be talked to. They might wear something.
No.
They might, or girls have this thing, sometimes, Davian, when them just look at you for 2 seconds, for 2 long seconds, and then them probably just look away.
The eye contact.
If he catches it, good.
Yeah.
If not, then he's just not the one.
Yeah, he's just not the one.
Eye contact. You bring me to a
Let me ask y'all one question. Where do you think it is a comfortable, like, where do you think is a safe place for women to be approached? Because I know for men, we like to approach women at a club, at a bar.
At a
But
club,
for
no.
women, where do you think there's like their most like preferable choice to be approached? Or
I think a woman would have to answer that.
Yeah, we need a lady's
that's
opinion with that.
Yeah, we need a woman
But
to answer that.
But the
can't
thing
answer
is
that.
now, I don't believe them actually have a place that they prefer to be approached, but there are places where you just don't approach them. For example,
Yeah.
if you see what I mean.
If you want a relationship with a woman, I wouldn't approach her in a nightclub. That's like you're starting
Disaster.
from behind. Not that it's impossible.
yeah,
Not that it's impossible for it to be in a relationship.
It's just
but
not the place.
it's just like you're starting off in a different mindset, and then you have
Yeah.
to it takes time to form that calibration, and the other person might not be on the same wavelength. But
yeah.
bro, you know what the worst part is when you're approaching a chick at the club?
Yeah.
Is when the music, when you're like screaming in her ear and they change the music,
All right.
and like that is the worst. It's the worst.
Screaming here. And she's like, "Huh? Wait."
Bro, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's the worst, bro.
Wait, may I put you onto some game? If you have to be screaming in her ear, you're working behind the clock there. So no. All right. You ever in the club? You see a guy talking to a girl. Sometimes me just there observe. You can tell when the girl is into it or not. If he's the one just leaning in, basically cleaning the wax from her ear,
Yeah.
she doesn't care. If she's the one pulling him down and to listen, that's when you know she likes it.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
have to pay attention to these subtleties, but
Yeah.
I'm out the game. So
No,
so
it's facts.
the
That's
referee,
facts.
the coach,
That's
you
facts.
can't coach.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good observation. That's good
No,
observation.
but
That's
those
fact.
those are little
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
Other things as a man going out, don't be caught up in what you are saying. Listen more and watch more. Observe the body posture and the signals that you're getting.
From her.
Yeah.
That is very important.
Distance plays a crucial role. Physical contact plays a crucial role. I'm going to put out something possibly toxic there. If you like a girl, the first time you meet her, there needs to be some form of physical contact initiated.
Yes.
Not a sexual physical contact, but some physical contact.
Explain that. You mean like a handshake, a hug?
Handshake, a hug, or something. Or, like when a girl like you, she's like, slap you on your
Yeah,
shoulder.
when girls like it, them slap, them beat you. Them
They
slap
touch
you.
your shoulder. They find some reason to touch you.
Yeah.
So that physical contact, I don't know. We respond different to it as human beings. It's like a biochemical reaction.
Yeah, it's a real. I think touching somebody is the closest connection you can get to
Exactly.
somebody, even if it's a small touch, a small or a small flick or whatever.
Yeah, like one style is like,
You know?
oh, can I see your hands? Like, oh, you have great hands. And then she put out her hand and you touch the hand. That is the physical contact.
That is contact.
That is the physical contact
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
And you're like, oh, I like your nails. That is the physical contact there. And that is consensual physical contact. Because I feel like we have to use these words nowadays.
No, of course, yeah.
People don't realize that you just don't grab a woman. Physical contact
No.
initiated.
No,
Step 2. Shall we go on a date now? Yeah, but just
Nah.
make it seem it has to come in natural.
Yeah, you can't force it. It's not something that you can force.
Yeah.
Because if you force it, it's going to be uncomfortable. And that's where you get into the realms of it not being, what's the word?
Consensual.
Consensual. Yes.
Yeah, man. Ray, you say you have some questions, too, before we start name out the list of the non-sexual turn-ons that
Yeah. Let me
That
ask
men-
you
men
this.
get from women, huh?
Let me ask you this. What is when you guys are attracted to someone, what is that first thing you do when you look at them? Like, what is the first thing they need to have for you to be attracted to them?
Smile and the eye contact. The smile and the eye contact. Make the eye contact and we smile and lock eyes. The room, everything else just go silent around us. Everything else just go black and white.
Yeah, the
We are the
eye
only
contact.
colored.
Yeah.
Everything else black and white, and we are the colored one in the movie. The eye contact and the smile. That's it.
Yeah, for me, I would say the eye contact. I don't. The
I think
smile.
for all of us, I think it's the eye contact. Yeah.
And the smile. Why wouldn't I don't the smile?
But the eye contact more though.
No, the eye contact with the smile. I can make eye contact with someone and I'm like, oh, you're weird. Eye
But
contact
I've
with
been
a
attracted.
smile.
I've been attracted to women that haven't smiled, but the eye contact was intense.
No, you're missing. The smile was there. You missed the smile. The little smile. No, it doesn't have to
I
be
don't know
like
if
a
it's
teeth
necessary.
showing smile. It's like one of them smiles, like she's like, yeah, or she just licks her lips, or or she,
The
or she
little
flip
bite,
her-
right? The little bite.
Yeah, the little
Yeah,
bite.
oh my God.
Yeah, like she started
Oh
playing
my
with her hair
God.
certain way. Like she don't even know
Yeah.
she's doing it, because those things just
They,
come
they
up.
just come natural when them get the feeling that them attracted
Yeah,
to you or
but
whatever. Them them do these things.
Eye contact and the smile. I'm weak, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Wet up.
Yeah.
Pause. that one. Pause.
Yo, man. Oh my God. Yo. No, but seriously, I think it's the eye contact for me too. But the smile is not necessary.
But
You don't need a woman to smile?
I don't know because I like
Jesus.
intense faces too. I like the intense faces.
Ah,
as
you're
well.
like, so
Yeah.
you're real. You are one of them.
I
That
am.
like the girls who have a bad face.
RBF. The rest in bitch face them.
Some of them turn me on.
Alright, so that's the first one on the list.
No, we ain't. Are we?
Of non-sexual things that men get turned on
Yeah.
Yeah.
by. RBF.
Yeah. Non-sexual turn-ons for men. But people,
Let's say this together. We did
Nah.
not make this list.
this list was done by research and,
Yes.
asking a few friends, all of them things there,
Yeah,
and they
man.
shared them.
No cosign. We did not cosign this, people.
No,
Alright.
I'm not gonna lie. Some of them are legit, bro.
I'm curious to hear y'all
Alright,
list.
yeah.
Some of them are legit. So my first one, non-sexual turn-ons for men. When she wears glasses, but just for reading.
Wait. Glasses with a ponytail. I have on my list. Glasses with a ponytail.
You sound like a Mia Khalifa guy.
No.
For those who don't know, you know. For those who don't know,
No.
you know.
Yeah.
Wow, glasses, bro. That
Glasses.
is.
No, and it's not constant glasses, but
It's just like for temporary.
yeah, for like,
Yeah.
oh, you're like, you wear glasses?
It's like the librarian.
You know what?
Well,
Alright. I tried to climb into the head of men that like these
whoa,
things.
whoa. Pause.
I'm trying to.
Hold up.
Guys, we
trying
will
to-
pray for Tennille
I'm
after
trying
this
to,
episode.
I'm trying to see it how they see it.
Okay.
Is it that the person looks like a different person? You think?
It's the old librarian syndrome,
That's what I'm saying. It's the lot.
The old librarian
quiet.
Is
syndrome.
this a thing? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Like when you were growing up, when the
Be
hormones
quiet,
started
no one
kicking,
is-
when the
yeah.
hormones first started
Yeah.
kicking when you're 13, Tony, 12, 13 there, so. Any
The-
woman you see, can't get it,
That
When the-
excuse me, you're being too loud. Oh
Yeah,
my
oh.
god. Oh my
Any woman
god.
you see, Tony, you're like, oh wow, is this being? Because the hormones are just controlling your brain. So even your teachers wearing the glasses, the librarians wearing the glasses at school, especially for us that went to an all-boys school. Oh God, man.
Because
The
yeah.
testosterone, when the testosterone, yeah.
Testosterone kicking up when
Yeah,
you're
man.
13, and it just comes back to that point. It's like a little flashback, nostalgic flashback when you used to have those fantasies about your teachers.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Glasses,
Alright.
that's a good one.
Let me reel off one from the list that I compiled.
That Tony wrote on his own.
Nah. This was compiled. So, non-sexual things about women that turn men on. Back tattoos.
Yep, me nah lie. That's hot.
Look at Ray. Look at
That's
Ray. Look
hot.
at Ray. Look at Ray.
That's hot.
Look at Ray.
I think tattoos overall.
Tattoos, that's number one on me.
Tattoos
Number
overall.
one.
Ray tracing those tattoos.
Oh
bro.
my
Tattoos
God,
overall.
yo.
Ray, calm down. Calm down, Ray. Calm fucking
Bro,
down.
yo, when she has that sleeve, it's over.
For
It's
Ray,
over.
for Ray, the sleeve does it.
Ray,
The
it's
sleeve does
over.
it.
It's over. And then the neck tattoo is like a bonus. But
No,
yeah,
no. I don't know if I can get behind the neck.
I
tattoo.
can get with the neck. If it's not like covering the whole neck, but if it's like I can get behind the neck as well, yeah.
All right.
Definitely.
Non-sexual turn-ons for men. When she talks passionately about something that you have no interest in, but you can just see how happy it makes her.
True.
You know, you just see how she just did it. I was like, oh my God, that knitting class was so. This is just an example. That knitting class was so amazing. And I'm like, I don't give a fuck about knitting, but I like
Continue.
how happy you
Yeah,
are.
yeah, like
I like how
happy-
happy you
yeah,
are
that's
talking about
nice.
it. You know?
Wow. Wow.
That is true. Real
That's
life one,
nice.
Ray. You have a list?
Yeah, I had tattoos. Then I have another one. I would say emotional intelligence. That is like
yeah,
yeah,
it is
that
priceless. I
very-
think like that is priceless. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah.
someone that just like has compassion, that understands like maybe today's not the day, today's not your day.
Yeah,
able to do it.
true.
That is important for me.
True.
Emotional intelligence.
True.
Ray,
I think another to add to that, somebody who does not believe that the world is centered around them all the time.
narcissism.
Yeah.
Not narcissistic.
You know, for example, as Ray said, you see somebody, you see that they might not be their self today. Let me kind of be there for them. If not even in a sexual way, but like it can be something simple like asking how they are
Nah.
Yeah,
You
that
know?
how are you goes
That-
a long
and
way.
letting them speak.
That's
Right.
nice. That's
Right.
all nice. But fuck that shit. I want my woman to have a little bit of
We'll
toxicity.
pray for him.
I
guys.
want a little bit of toxicity, and I'm not gonna be shy about it. I want her to crash out sometime.
Yeah, that's what-
that's
Oh, that
emotional
normal.
intelligence, bro. I want her,
But
I
it's
want her to
normal.
crash out. But then she says, "You know what? I crashed out. You were right, but
That'd be the
I-
best.
that's not sexual turn on for me. A crash out. Not sexual turn on. That's
A crush out.
a crash out.
Gonna be in.
A
Yo.
crash out, bro.
I hate to agree with yo. That's probably number 3 for me as well. Across.
So you see what I'm saying? He said emotional intelligence. He's like a crash out.
But yo,
you can't want the best of
yo,
both worlds, so.
like yo, because
Yeah,
she
your
can be
kid can
emotional
eat it,
intelligent,
really.
but she will like a chick that'll snatch you
Yeah.
up for being stupid
No,
too.
but
Like,
emotional intelligence
yeah,
is
yeah.
she had a crash out, but no, she processed
She
it.
processed it.
And then she was like, oh yeah, I had a crash out, but that was unfair. But that crash out leads
Yo,
to
yo.
things.
I agree with you, bro. That's my number 3. That's my number 3.
Tony, you
No,
know
no.
that the crash out?
What is that? I don't think it's something where we
No, it's a non-sexual turn on. Because in the moment, right, the crash out is going on. Well, sometimes in the moment, I'm like,
bro, come on.
Yo, real, yo,
Yeah.
for real.
Non-sexual turn-ons that women do. When she wears one of your white t-shirts, just casually.
Oh,
Around the house.
Like she didn't even ask, she just put it on and she just wear it casually, barefoot, casually, barefoot as well.
yeah.
Just walking around in your white t-shirt and you're just like,
But that's non-sexual.
yeah, she's just wearing your t-shirt, bro.
Oh,
I think it would be sexual.
That would be
if she
sexual.
would, wait, I think it would be sexual if she only wears your t-shirt and she's only wearing your
No.
t-shirt.
oh.
Just wearing your t-shirt.
No,
See,
what-
the way he's
no,
describing
no.
it, though, he's
Wait.
describing it
Wait.
with the chick with nothing under. That's what
That's
he's
what I-
describing.
that's
why you're
Guys,
That's why I-
why you're a big
because that's my favorite. Listen, listen. He is not. Yo, listen, no, that is sexual, bro. You can't do that. That is sexual.
People, let us know if that one is sexual. I don't know what non-sexual turn-ons for men. When she's shy or a little bit anxious about something, bro. You know? I like a shy girl. I like when she's shy about certain things as well. You know, like when she's
or you mean if not shy, soft.
No, shy.
Shy?
Shy
Is the
is-
word you want to use?
Shy is like
I don't like the
like
shy
it's still
ones.
like like a little bit shy.
Ah,
you know?
yeah. We know what you mean. We know what you mean. I know what you mean.
like let's say you're trying to find an example that's not sexual of the shyness.
Don't go to that dark place, bro.
Or
No, just a shy, like there, and you can see that there's a little bit of anxiety,
right.
and she's looking at you for
Yeah.
the reassurance.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like on me,
Ah.
and she turned to you for the reassurance. I can
Mhm.
see like she's a little bit shy,
yeah.
but it's not gonna cripple her. So it's also mean like she's shy, she's anxious, but she's going to do the thing.
Ah. Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's not like
Okay.
she's stuck in that state.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, man, yeah.
I would say another one for me. She funny
When she's funny.
when she's funny. Yes.
That's important.
That
When she has a
is-
sense of humor.
right.
No, Ray, that's a sexual turn on.
The funniness.
Because you don't have.
really.
Let me say this with all my chest. You don't have a vast majority of women who are funny.
I don't.
Huh?
I've been with some.
I don't think.
Think about all the women you know, Ray.
Mm.
You can name a few, just a few, who you genuinely think are funny. And I'm not saying women are not funny.
Your female friend.
Yeah.
They're boring, bro.
No, I have
That's
a
what I'm
female
hearing
friend
till you
that's
say.
funny as hell. I have a few.
Stay away from that one.
Nah.
No. But on a serious level, humor with your partner is so important.
No, of course,
If they don't get your
bro.
sense of humor,
That is yeah.
that's it. And for me, that was one of my turn-ons as well.
Yeah.
The humor and also the banter and the sarcasm. Like she can, like she can dish it and she can take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she can take it.
And she can take it. Yeah.
Wink, wink. Yeah,
Yeah.
no, for real, man. No,
No,
sense
like,
of humor is
She
very.
come back, she says something, you say something,
Yeah.
back and forth, the back and forth. We end up having an entire chat of just going back and forth.
Going
about
back and
something.
forth,
Back and
yo.
forth. Just that banter, that wit.
That's the nicest thing.
That's
yeah.
the nicest thing. And you're like, who's gonna break first?
Right.
That is like, damn, that's a non-sexual.
real
turn
one
on.
from Mr. Vein. Non-sexual things that turn men on. Women who know how to dance and not in a sexual way.
There's a
is-
thin line there. To
That is,
the-
yeah,
there's-
that's
No.
that's on ice.
No,
that's
that is
ice.
sexual.
That's
That's sexual. That's sexual.
Because
That's
you
sexual.
No, but
knowing how
Aye.
to move her body.
yeah, but in a non-sexual way.
That's
sexual.
That's
bro.
sexual,
I'm not
bro.
talking about dancehall. I'm not talking about whining.
Yeah, but
Let's
that's
talk about something like
that's sexual, bro. That's
Sexual.
sexual.
That's
That's very
sexual.
that's sexual.
Yeah, we
I
have
would
to
say
cancel that
dancing
one
is
out.
sexual.
Yeah, we have to cancel that one out. Yeah.
Overall, dancing overall. Even if it's the Macarena.
Yeah, that's not.
How
gonna
many?
turn me on.
That's
Yeah,
not
that's
sexual.
gonna turn-
That's not on.
You say you
Stop
see a girl
it, man.
dancing Macarena, you get turned
Yeah,
on?
you're not
No.
singing on no
Yeah,
Macarena.
That's what I'm saying.
You thinking, man?
Yeah.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
What you saying?
But dance, like, all right, let me try to find a dance that is not sexual.
Singing would make more sense.
There we go.
That's
Ray.
Singing makes more sense.
That would work.
Dancing,
That would work. A beautiful
dancing
voice.
doesn't
That
make
too.
sense. But singing make more sense.
Yeah, singing
That too.
is not a sex. Depends on the song, but
The-
yeah.
Yeah,
But singing, Ray, 100% actually agree with you there.
yeah.
100% agree. With
That's like a bonus though, cause like how
Yeah.
many good singers are there?
you. No, but just so she can catch a note, to be honest.
Okay.
yeah,
Just so she can catch a note.
a good note, yeah.
Just so she can catch a good note. The sweetest voice we heard before we were girlfriends was singers, you know.
True, and
True,
we used to fall in
true,
love with
true,
those
true.
voices, yeah.
All right. So I would say for me, artistic in some type of way.
Artistic talent.
Maybe not a
Creativity.
singer or creativity, like
Yeah.
or a poet or someone that like a good drawer. In that aspect, that's
No.
definitely
Yeah.
definitely up there for
Non-sexual
me.
turn on for men. Some
Yeah.
creative endeavor.
yeah.
Do something creative. I can see that. Because we attracted to the creativity of a person, you know.
True.
Yeah.
The creativity of a person, it tells a lot about the person, and it's kind of like what you say. It's like a blueprint of the person.
Mm.
You know when them creative are them can create something.
So
you can
Tony,
you can see basically you can see them from the inside out when they
Right.
create. You know what I'm
all
saying?
right. So that brings dancing back into the equation.
Ah no.
No, I'm saying it brings dancing back because
Alright.
dancing is a form of creative expression. So
Okay.
no, there's a point for dancing.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for helping me channel my
Yo.
words into where they had to
now
be.
it's a creative expression, bro.
Thank you. Yes.
It's a
Uh-huh.
creative expression. Non-sexual turn-ons for men that women do. When you're watching a movie together, and she gets scared and she just grab your arm and just hold it.
That's on the line.
That's
on the line.
It's on the line.
That's on the line.
That's on the line. Yo,
It's on the line.
someone touching you, grabbing
Yeah,
your
because that's
biceps,
not
on the line.
sexual.
Yes.
No,
because
because and you go ahead.
because this if this person can grab you, it kind of mean that you have something with
Right.
like
No, but
some kind of relation with
And
them.
here's the ending of this. Listen, and also you're thinking in your head she's gonna get scared. I get closer to her. That's a sexual thought.
no, this is
You can't do that,
This
bro.
is your woman.
No,
can't.
it's not exactly sexual, Ray, but it's kind of like nature. As a man, when somebody's scared, you kind of try to
protect
reassure them.
Let's be honest. What is the goal of putting on a scary movie when we're watching it with a
We
woman?
can just no.
What is the goal, guys?
Bro,
Come on.
no, that's a goal in the early dating stages, bro. But if you're with someone for some time and you're watching a movie together,
And it
chances are you
happens
watch the
that,
movie and go to bed.
oh no, she's gonna get scared. She's gonna get
No,
closer.
or it's Halloween.
All right, they ain't slick, guys.
Eh?
They ain't slick.
All right. Then non-sexual turn-ons for men. When she wears a messy hair bun.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you onto something. You onto something. I'm like, yeah. I didn't think about that one for a second. Yeah.
When she has hair,
Yeah.
it's like she's just comfortable with, you know.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, you're comfortable. You don't have to be perfect all the time now. Which is the next non-sexual turn on when removed from that stage where she's no longer full makeup, full glam around you all the time. She's just like natural.
Just
Yeah,
herself.
chilling.
Yeah, you see her. It just come one day. She just wake up, no makeup on, messy hair bun, white t-shirt, walking around in probably one of your shots, and you're just like, wow.
Yeah, Drake said it best. Chilling with no makeup on. Drake said it best. Drake said it best.
Yeah.
I have
That's something. See, Drake is on to something, bro.
Yeah.
Drake is on to something.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Another non-sexual turn on when she roots for your sports team. I was waiting for one of them to say it. I was waiting for one of them to say it.
Yo!
Yes, it's true. It's
And
true.
she's actually interested.
Interested in it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
When she pulls out the phone like, yo, they got a game tonight. I'm like,
She's like, oh, do you want to watch the game tonight? Are we watching the game
do
tonight?
you want the wedding ring now or like, come on, man.
Take me.
Come on.
You had me. I
Wow.
belong to you
yes,
because
man.
we will be getting married at the stadium.
Come on.
We are locked in.
Right.
We
Uh-huh.
are locked in.
When
Right.
she supports your sports team.
Team.
Tony, you have no idea that, bro.
I have no idea because
Right.
I'm a Manchester United fan.
Oh, you want?
So,
Yo. Right. Right.
Ah.
Right.
my brother.
Right.
That
And if you want to get toxic, if she's your rival, and
I can't. No,
that's kind of that is
that's
that
not
could be something too.
That is sexual.
Oh, okay.
Because
That might
when
be
your team lose or when her
that
team
could be
lose,
something
she went
too.
to go to her frustration on you.
Right.
Or
That,
you and her.
No,
Right,
I
that
can't. Rival, no. Bonafide upon that.
Why not?
I could never be with a girl that's a Real Madrid fan. Never.
It's not impossible, David.
I'm not saying it's impossible, but I could
Okay.
never.
I gotta drop another one on y'all.
Yeah.
Another non-sexual turn on when she's into video games. Oh my gosh. Listen, it's a bonus. It is a bonus. Hold on. It's not looked for. When it comes to me, it's not looked for. But it's a bonus. It is a bonus.
But in the end, you might consider her like a bro. Like, The
It's
game
a
thing is
bonus.
different, Ray. This different.
Unpopular
Wait.
opinion.
I ask one important question.
Or
We're talking
what?
about FIFA?
We're talking about like Call of Duty or some.
Whoa, even deeper in Nori.
Or, but it's a bonus. How about this? I'll throw another one at y'all. Another one. Another non-sexual turn on.
Yeah.
When she's into like Marvel superheroes.
I like a bit of a nerd.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
We
We
I
can
would
get
say,
all right.
yeah.
Okay.
When she's into anime,
Yeah.
when
Anime.
she's into anime, that's a turn on. That's
Oh,
a big
okay, wait.
turn on. That's a big turn on.
Anime over video games? They're like the
100%.
same
Yeah.
crowd. It's like
Oh,
this.
no.
It's like the same crowd of people.
Video game is an activity, bro. It's an activity that now is like video game is an activity that you like to do solo as well.
Right.
You don't really want to be playing video games with your partner all the time. And more than likely, you're gonna have one console in the house or your one gaming system. Then you're gonna have to share it, or if you're hopping on, she's gonna be hopping on. I
It's
just
different. It's
for
kind of
me,
different.
it just don't.
No, I feel you.
For me, it's like I don't even play video games that much. So maybe it's different for me, but I can see how it could be for some men.
No, I feel you because like having a relationship with a video game is like the barber, like you know what I'm saying. You don't want to things can get messy. You know what I'm saying. She messes up your video. I get that, but they're in the same crowd. People that like anime. Most of them like video games.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
No, but it's more common now to find a girl that likes anime than 10 years ago. Anime is growing. I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
When she's into anime, yeah, man, pour up.
Yeah, I give you that.
Yeah, man. Let me see if I have any more.
Non-sexual activities that men get turned on by from women. You guys say video games and all of these things, but when she asks you to go on a to do an activity that is not drinking, that is not eating food, a craft, for example.
A thoughtful activity.
Yes.
Yeah.
A wholesome, thoughtful activity.
Preach, bro.
Hiking, making some craft or whatever.
That's subjective.
Why?
Subjective because I do that for her, bro.
Oh my God.
I'm not gonna lie. It's fun in the moment, and I will do it, and I'll probably have a great time. But when I think of going out to do an activity, going to go paint shit ain't good.
No,
what? No, wait.
So
don't sleep on that activity. Going to go paint with your girl is dope as hell,
subjective.
bro.
But then again, it's not necessarily the activity, but the thought that you put behind.
You say when she plans a date.
Yeah.
Right.
When she plans a date.
Right. A thoughtful activity.
When she plans a date.
When she plans it, right.
Okay. When she plans a date, non-sexual turn on. I can see that one.
I'm gonna say another one. Another non-sexual turn on. When they need you. When they need you for something. When I need you here. I need you. When that word is thrown out, I need.
Yeah,
that is
sexual. I understand.
No, that is a turn on.
I have a question for you guys.
Go ahead.
I have a question for you guys. Let's say that we are all at a house party. You bring your girls. Everyone has their girls there. And there's a jar that needs to be. She's struggling to open a jar of olives. And you're right next to her, and she gives it to another guy to open.
No, you can't do that.
Wow.
You can't do that. For me, that kind of disrespectful. You're supposed to come to the person who is your refuge and strength to help you open that jar.
Right.
It might sound simple, but it's a great deal. It's a big deal. It's a big deal.
Right.
It's
That
a
is.
big deal.
But you know what? To have an excuse, I do hate olives. So
No, you're
she
opening
kind
it
of
for
does
her.
respect me, but like, okay, babe
It's
doesn't like
pickles.
olives. Let me give it to somebody
It's
else.
a jar. He doesn't like olives, but he can open the jar of olives.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
You're making excuses for that behavior, eh?
No, but it's facts. No, you're
And I
right.
like
You're
that.
right.
As in, it might
Right.
sound toxic, but she's supposed to come to me. The strongest
Yeah.
person she know.
Well, not
No, no, not the strongest, but her refuge.
The safe
When,
space.
the safe space when she needs
He's right.
help.
But come on, that is just disrespect. That's like,
It is disrespectful a
Yeah.
little bit.
mm.
Yeah.
All right. I have another question as well. When it comes to your friends, do you feel like you have different levels of friends, and based on that, the physical contact with your friends is different? For example, you have friends that you hug and say goodbye. You have friends that you dap. You have friends that you say, you just give one of them, yeah. And do people move up to different stages?
Definitely move over to different stages. I think depends on, how about this? If I'm meeting someone and they're my homie's homie, like let's say they're my homie's best friend from when they were younger, I might lean in for the dap because that's my home. That's my day one. Oh, that's his day one. All right, out of respect, out of like he's always had my back. All right, I'm gonna show you, not as like obviously we go back, but I'm gonna give that support out too.
Okay.
But if it's someone like I met through an acquaintance, let's say I met someone like a week ago, right? And it was through a friend that I see here and there, and they're meeting me with another person. It's you know what I'm saying? Does that person get to move up? Probably not. I'm not gonna care as much because of the situation that got me into that in the first place.
No, but Ray, but what if that person, you have some people in life, you and them just click.
Right.
What if then that person becomes one of those type of people? You don't see them often, but every time you see them, you have a good time or whatever, they make you laugh or you guys agree on things or whatever. What about that? That person has no chance of moving up the friendship ladder?
Yeah. No, definitely.
Okay, but
That then they get the dap. They get the lean in. They get the lean in. There's levels to this.
What
Y'all
is
know
the
that.
ultimate level, Lyria?
There's all right. I'm gonna start you at level one. Level one is the head nod. Like, yo, oh, that's such and such. Cool. What's up, Ray?
Yeah.
Bet. All right. Then the next level is the dap little pound. Right. Oh, okay. I seen you around. That's such and such. He's the homie from, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then we move up the next level. We had a conversation. Maybe it was at a club, at a bar. Maybe we had a shot. You know what I'm saying? You were telling me about the girl you left. Cool. That's a dap. You know what I'm saying?
Dap without the leaning,
A
right?
dap. That's
Just the dap.
you know, not the leaning yet. That's the okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Stay up. Right. And then the fourth level is the leaning dap. Right. We had
dap.
multiple conversations. Every time we kicked it, it's been cool, right? We had a beer or something like that. That's the lean and dap. All right, and then the ultimate is the lean and dap, and then the respect, right?
Yeah.
There's levels to it,
But
right?
you don't hug them.
Nah,
All right.
nah. The hug is short. It's a short hug. It's a short hug.
You remember the other night we have the conversation
Go ahead.
at the bar.
Yeah.
When our friend brought up the topic about what is allowed for you to do with your female friends or your male friends.
Right.
And she was saying it's okay for her to be walking with one of her male friends and hold the arm. It's okay for one of her male friends to do a forehead kiss.
Wow.
Yeah. No.
Wow.
No.
Is that normal?
That is, for me, that's a red flag. I think, me personally, I don't know that many girls that have a lot of guy friends. Because do I think it exists? It does in some aspect, right? Usually, if they're friends, that woman has a boyfriend. That dude has a girlfriend. They've been homies since the sandbox.
Yeah.
Something like that.
course.
Or the mom knows the mom, right? They're family friends. That's the only way I can see it happening. Or you just don't find them attractive at all, right? There's something wrong about her. Come on, we've been there. Or for her, it's like, oh, this, I would never date him, but he's cool. Like, you know what I'm saying? But me honestly, if I'm in a relationship, right? I'm single. If I'm in a relationship, right, and I see my girl, right, give the right Because there's levels to that too.
Yeah.
If she goes up the shoulder, I can't trust you.
Up the shoulder, what you mean? I missed
Like,
that.
mean-
caress the shoulder.
Yeah, you
Oh,
can't
yeah,
caress
yeah,
the shoulder.
yeah.
I don't
Can't-
believe in that.
No.
That's you're feeling his. You should be feeling my arm. I'm not trying to sound petty. That's just
You-
how I
you-
feel.
No,
Like,
no. Of
You know
course.
what's funny? Like, I don't have a problem with my girl hugging one of her male friends.
Right.
That's cool.
Sandbox. They go
That's-
back.
Yeah. A hug is cool. Forehead kiss, hand holding, we fighting.
Right.
like-
That's
No,
That's you gotta throw hands to that.
Yeah, you're kissing his forehead. What is this like? This is like what we had. Was that last time we had sex? Like kiss. That's you don't do that.
Yeah,
Yo. You
that's
do
how
not
that
do
forehead kiss is
No,
for after
no.
a intense love making intimate session and she's on your chest and you just
Listen,
yeah.
any kind of head kiss, any kind of kiss. All right,
Any sort of kiss.
we,
you
no, no,
need-
we,
you
we,
need to go.
all right, but we have, hold on, no, we have to remember that vein.
Go ahead.
When we try to argue based on the context of where we are, we in Spain. So you see anything above here, the cheek,
Mhm.
is saying something because these people they kiss
You know
the
that
cheek or
lips
kiss
are
the
below
ear.
the lips are below the cheek.
No, meaning like
Uh,
don't go above.
mm,
Don't. All right. This is the side. You see anything
cheek to
outside
cheek.
of this
yeah,
is a problem.
yeah. We're in Europe. We're in
It's a
Is a
Europe.
problem.
In Europe, the
It's a
cheek to cheek is there,
Is
but
there.
it's not a kiss. If the lips
It's
connect,
not.
it's a cheek to cheek.
You're
It's
supposed
not a kiss.
and
It's
how
not a kiss.
If I understand well, how this kiss goes, you kiss the ear beside the person.
Yeah, the forehead kiss is a no.
No, that's a no.
Physical. I'm not against physical contact with her male friends, but outside of that,
No, keep it.
we have to keep it. We have to keep it respectful, cause I'm not holding hands with any of my female friends like that. I'm
No.
not giving them any
Hell no.
forehead kiss.
And my thing is, if you don't see me doing it, don't do it too.
It's simple. You know,
It's just respect.
Big facts.
Relationships are easy.
Easy.
Relationships are
If you
easy.
don't see me doing it, don't do it too.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can't do that.
If you wouldn't like to see me doing it,
Don't
do it.
Don't do
It's
it.
simple as that. It's simple as it's like do
Yeah.
unto others
Ah,
as you'd have them
that
do
is
unto you.
Ah.
And we're gonna leave the episode right there, so.
right there. So
But we need a Tony Hills tune. It's been a minute. A Jimmy Cliff.
Rome was not built in a day. The harder they come, the harder they fall. So I want to add, the harder they come, the harder they fall. And I want to really add, you can get it if you really want.
You hear
Remember
that?
song there?
You just try.
Try and try.
You succeeded. Like
Yes!
All
All right, people. Walk good.